What a guan goodies, run come here and let's make some chicken stew peas. So here I have some chicken goodies that I'll be using to make my stew peas. Yeah man, and I'm going to add something else to the chicken. You want to stick around to see how I make this stew peas. It's no ordinary stew peas. So here I have the chicken goodies, and all I'm adding to the chicken is some garlic powder and onion powder. I'm not going to add anything else to the chicken. That's all you need to add to the chicken at this point. Just mix this in, and then we're going to put on the peas on the fire for cook. So goodies, here I have the peas in a pot, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to allow the peas to cook. You know, you can pressure cook this to speed up the process. I should have thrown it into my pressure cooker, but anyways, I had the peas soaking overnight. As you can see, the peas are split open. Because I have them soaking, it's easier to cook this way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add some garlic and allow it to cook. Okay? So about a tablespoon of garlic. You can add 2 cloves of garlic. I have minced garlic, so I'm using the minced garlic. And a few pimento seeds. I kind of beat them a little bit just to get out the niceness out of them. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this and allow the peas to cook a little bit. Not all the way through. Just probably halfway through. And then we're going to finish up. Okay, goodies. So the pea is ready. Peas cook. So what I'm going to do now, I am just going to add my chicken. So the chicken, we're just going to add it to the peas. So goodies, I've added the chicken. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to leave the chicken to cook along with the peas. And I'm just going to get some seasoning in our pot. My secret now that I am going to share with you, I'm going to add some saltfish. I already washed the saltfish and boiled out some of the salt because you don't want it too salty. But trust me, adding the saltfish is gonna make a big difference. So good, now we're going in with the saltfish. And this is my little twist of doing the stew peas. So try it with the saltfish and let me know, okay? Now we're gonna season our pot with some chicken seasoning, some all-purpose, some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Alright goodies, so let's get our pot seasoned. So here I have some paprika, Maggi all-purpose, Maggi chicken, some meat seasoning, and a teaspoon of black pepper. All of this that I'm using is half tablespoon each, except the black pepper is a teaspoon, okay? So we're just gonna dump that in. I'm gonna stir this in goodies, and we're just gonna leave it until the chicken is cooked. And then we're not done seasoning our pot yet. No sir. If you know anything about Jamaican, we love to season our food. So we're not done yet. The seasoning not done add to the pot yet. This is just a little base seasoning. So stay tuned and watch the process. You don't want to leave. You want to see how this is gonna turn out, right? All right. So goodies, this is the progress so far. Things looking good. So I've gone off camera and I've needed some flour. So I'm gonna make some small dumplings to add to my stew peas. So I'm gonna add it now so the dumpling can cook. But yeah, yes, the thing there. Alright goodies, so you see me put in the dumplings and it's bubbling. Yeah man, I make some big ones as well. But you know, yeah man, this is the progress. Just to make it go down some more. The dumplings cook, the chicken cook, and then we're gonna finish seasoning, okay? So goodies, here I have a tin of coconut milk or coconut cream that I'm going to add. And I'm also going to be adding some seasoning. So I have some bell peppers. I have a piece of hot pepper. And I have 2 onion. You can use onion and you can use green onion or scallion. You need to add a piece of thyme. If you have thyme, I'm going to add some thyme leaves because I only have thyme leaves. So this is what I'm going to be adding. So first I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add my coconut cream. The goodies, I've added the coconut cream and I'm adding my seasoning. So you just want to spin this up nicely. And then you're just gonna leave this and allow it to cook. We're still not done yet, goodies. We're still not done yet. Okay, we have more stuff to add. Stay tuned. Okay, goodies, because everything I get thick up and nice now. Raw taste the pot, and I did taste it. And we need some more seasoning, so I'm adding a Maggi chicken cube. If you don't have Maggi chicken cube, you can just add a little bit more of your Maggi chicken seasoning or your Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna also go in with some margarine, and this margarine is salted margarine, so add a little bit more salt to the pot, not much, just like a tablespoon or of margarine. And this is optional. I just want to get that buttery taste in there. You can add butter if you want. So I think this is the final thing that I'm going to add. So don't go away, stick around. You've been here this far, so I'm pretty sure you want to see the end result. Remember to like the video and share the video, my friends. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, goodies, so we're just gonna leave this now. I'm not gonna cover it because I want it to reduce, because the chicken cooked, the peas cooked, the dumplings are cooked, everything cooked. We just want the gravy for reduce now and get a little bit more thicker. If the gravy not thicking up enough as I want it, I'm going to share with you how to thicken your gravy for your stewed peas, so don't go away. Alright, goodies, so the gravy get nice and thick, so I don't need to add anything to it to thicken the gravy. But if your gravy is not this thick, you can just use some cornstarch with a little bit of water and mix it and add it to it. Don't want to add too much either because it will get too thick. So this is the final result, goodies. Let me know what you think about my stewed peas recipe. If you love this recipe, leave me a comment. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, walk good.